Can a 15-year-old PC still handles up the games and video editings in 2026? Let's check it out. And in my previous video, we already cleaned up this PC, which is lying in my home since last 15 years, and we have upgraded it with the SSD, and we attached the Wi-Fi dongle as well, just for the internet. And now we can check the performance and the video editings, or the gaming tests and all everything. Now it's a time for real challenge for gaming and the editing tests as well. So will it performs well or will it fail? Let's check it out. Here is a quick recap. Whoever missed my previous video, you can find it out. Like this mission is i3 second generation and having 4 GB DDR3 and 160 GB of hard disk. It's a mechanical hard drive, and yeah, that is all. The things are like we upgraded with the 128 GB of SSD, and we just need to perform the latest troubleshooting and testings with the complete gaming and the editings as well. After Windows installation, the system becomes much responsive than earlier. Let's see how much performance that we can squeeze out from this particular old machine.
I edited a 20-minute video in Filmora using a very minimal effects, but it took me around 9 to 11 hours of time to complete the entire editing process to export the final video. And while the time, we could also check the CPU temperatures that actually reaches to 62 to 68 in between that. And here on the screen, like, we could able to see the power ratings and everything that we are even measuring using the CPU temp application. And we could able to also see the CPU load. It's maximum reaching about 90 to 100 in between that. It's like 98 or 99, some range in between that. So tried using the Adobe Premiere Pro, and this also works very well with the seamless effort. Like it's playing under the 1:2 graphics. I mean 1:2 um, quality, and this is a 1/4 quality. That's completely fine actually for this i3 second generation PCs. We cannot expect something more from this processor because it's designed for doing a low-level tasks like web browsing in few tabs, Microsoft Office like Excel or PowerPoint, and the browsing YouTube videos in the 1080 in the 1080p in the maximum. If you are into a classic titles, it can still deliver a great experience. Let's take an example of the GTA Vice City. The game runs smoothly on this processor and makes it good choice for anyone that who enjoys a retro gaming under the neon street lights. While we shouldn't expect to handle the modern AAA games with this processor in this budget range. To check the SSD performance, as I have upgraded from HDD to SSD, I have also run the Crystal Disk Mark software. These benchmarks help us to measure the SSD read or write speed so that we could able to know how much fast we could able to perform in the real time world. To be honest, before starting this experiment, I wasn't expecting this much from this PC. It's powered by an Intel i3 second generation processor with just 4 GB DDR3 RAM. So I thought it would struggle with almost everything, not even the web browsing or not even the Microsoft Excel or anything. But after upgrading it with the SSD, the overall experience has definitely improved a lot. It's not something that is high-end mission, but still for today's standards it still can able to present the impressive way to see how the simple upgrade can give the life to such a old hardware. If you have an old PC sitting unused at home, don't throw that away yet. A small investment might be enough for you to make it such useful again. Well, the gaming and the editing tests are running. Let's take a quick look about the Windows Resource Monitoring tool. This tool gives us a real-time view of how much hardware is performing right now. We can monitor the CPU and memory consumption and the disk activities as well. Since the PC is only having the 4 gigs of RAM with the old dual-core processor, this is interesting to see which components is the bottleneck for that.
Like we discussed earlier, I'm using Filmora for editing, and we could able to see like I use multiple layers in this particular application, and I just exploded the video that I'm already I already edited it. So I exported it in 4K 60 FPS, and it's taking around 6 GB of storage, which is duration is like 12 minutes, 12 minutes 7 seconds. But unfortunately, it took more than 3.5 hours for me. Like as of now, the time is 23:36. That means 11:30, and I started it around 8:30 p.m. So right now it's still in the rendering stage, and you could able to see it's still fluctuating in between 5 to 7 minutes in between that. And if I open the CPU utilization, so we can clearly observe the CPU threshold limit. It's taking a lot of CPU and using a little bit RAM, I mean a little bit of drive and medium range of RAM. Like if you could see, around 82% of RAM is being utilized, and as of now the display, I mean the disk utilization is pretty normal, and the CPU utilization is around 88. Sometimes it's even fluctuating till 100. So overall, we can export 4K videos, but we need to allow it some time. Not some time, like it's more time actually.
So if we are running a regular task like browsing up the information on the browser or doing some switch or I mean like switching the multiple applications like Excel, Word or the PowerPoint, whatever it is, like it gives some seamless, it actually gives a seamless for like the processor is handling much better for the regular tasks, and you could able to see that I just opened the Word and trying to open the Excel file. It should be much better. It's just handling the things perfectly without any distortion or without any struggles. But well, coming to the gaming, 1 second. So if we are doing some heavy task like creating some pivots, so we could able to see multiple. I mean, it's something a huge file that I can say just opens seamlessly, and the interlinks are very good. It's not struggling anywhere. And apart from that, like well, we also tried browsing up the YouTube videos and all, like the 4K quality. It's not something that is actually struggling up a bit. It's pretty good, I can say. Like if you see this, we can play in 1080p HD quality, but not in 4K, because we cannot expect we cannot expect the videos to be played on 4K quality, because as we know, this is much downgraded processor, like i3 second generation. This means like it where we where this processor is manufactured in 2011. So at the time it's good, but right now it's not something that is perfect for our daily tasks as well. Like it's good to go with the 1080p resolution in the YouTube videos, and we can also browse our numbers, text and everything. So you can just view, or we can just browse whatever the context, like the web pages or anything. It's completely working very normal. Check this. Oh, so it got downloaded. Okay, I think it's opening somewhere else, but it's not. So let's see here. It's opening the complete information where we can check. It's not struggling something anyway.
This experiment is not yet completed. Let's find it out in the next video. I'm just going to try to upgrade with more RAM, and if possible I will also try to upgrade the processor as well. Like, I'm just planning to upgrade this PC to i7 4th or 6th or 8th generation, but for sure, like, I'm just going to upgrade this particular processor with the latest capable processor. Now I want to hear from you guys, what particular PC version or which particular processor that you are using it right now. Please drop down your comments in the comment section below, and tell me, just provide me some of your suggestions, like whether if that is good to upgrade this PC or go with a brand new one. If this video receives 500 likes, so for sure, then I'm just going to upgrade this PC, or I will just purchase a new machine for especially gaming or video editings and all everything. If you really enjoy this video, and if you feel something that is informative from my video, at least don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you will never miss the regular updates from me. Thank you. Jai Hind.